Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel for baking and for recipe tutorials. Now in the last video I showed you how to make the chocolate bean cookies. Now in this video I am going to be showing you how to make the cranberry and choc muffins. Now if you haven't got the recipe for this muffin tutorial, pause the video now and get to the shop steps to get what you need. In this bowl, combine 100 grams of unsalted melted butter, and 200 grams of buttermilk, and then combine it all together. And then leave this aside. In a separate bowl, beat in 2 eggs, and 150 grams of caster sugar, and cream them with an electric whisk. Once it's all combined, once it's all creamed together to be pale and fluffy, combine with the buttermilk and butter mixture. Mix both mixtures in well. After the two have been combined together, this next instruction is to fold in 250 grams of self-raising flour, and it says sifted on the recipe, so sift that until it has no lumps in it. And then fold the flour in the mixture. Next in the recipe is adding 100 grams of dried cranberries, and also add in 200 grams of white chocolate. These are white milk chocolate chips, and stir them in. Next thing in this recipe is to put the muffin mixture in the muffin cases. These are the muffin batter that's been divided into more than enough cupcake papers. Now we have to sprinkle enough almond flakes, and I'll weigh 50 grams of that to sprinkle them on top of the muffin batter, as I showed you in the recipe tutorial. These are the muffin batter that has been topped with flaked almonds. As you can see, that these are the flaked almonds topped on it. Next on the recipe is to put the muffins in the oven for 20 minutes until they are golden brown. So pause the video and I'm going to be showing you what it turns next after it's been baked. Those are the cranberry and choc muffins that have been baked in the oven for 20 minutes and they've been golden brown after they've been baked in the oven. This is a muffin recipe that I showed you today as a recipe tutorial. I hope you followed these instructions as to what I have showed you to make the muffins, cranberry and choc muffins. Now I hope you like this tutorial for video. Don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. Comment down below what other recipes you want me to show you in the future. Bye, see you in the next video.